Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make gold macarons. This method ensures consistent, beautiful results every time. First, gather your ingredients, measuring everything precisely with a kitchen scale. You will need 105 grams of almond flour, 105 grams of powdered sugar, 100 grams of egg whites, 100 grams of granulated sugar, and 30 grams of water. Also, prepare your edible gold luster dust and a small amount of clear alcohol for the stunning finish. The heart of perfect macarons is a stable Italian meringue. Begin by heating 60 grams of granulated sugar with 30 grams of water in a saucepan until it reaches exactly 244 degrees Fahrenheit. Simultaneously, whip 100 grams of egg whites in a stand mixer until they form soft, foamy peaks. Once the syrup is ready, carefully stream it into the whipping egg whites, continuing to beat until the meringue is stiff, glossy, and the bowl feels cool to the touch. Now for the crucial macaronage step. Sift together 105 grams of almond flour and 105 grams of powdered sugar to eliminate any lumps. Gradually fold your Italian meringue into this dry mixture using a spatula, deflating some air. Continue folding until the batter achieves a molten lava consistency, flowing smoothly off your spatula in a continuous ribbon. Then, pipe 1.5-inch circles onto a silicone baking mat and firmly tap the trays to remove any trapped air bubbles. After piping, let your macaron shells rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a dry skin forms on top. This curing prevents cracking and helps develop the signature feat. Preheat your oven to between 300 and 325 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the shells are firm and do not wobble. Once completely cooled, mix edible gold luster dust with a few drops of clear alcohol, like vodka, and delicately brush this shimmering paint onto your beautiful gold macarons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.